All right, I'm getting right into it. This is the Nothing Phone 2, and they also sent out a Nothing sticker as well as a Nothing hat. So huge thanks to Nothing for sending this out when you go ahead and pre-order the Nothing Phone 2. But I'm just gonna cut right through the intro and get right into it. So we're getting a box has actually reminded me of the OnePlus One box, more rectangular, like a squared off shape, a thin square. This is 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage is the model I went with, and I went with the gray. So looking at it, it's very minimal, and I do like it. So we got this tab right here to pull, and I don't want to pull the rest because I kind of want to keep this box, but it looks like that's what I'm going to have to do. There we go. And right through just like that. Let's slide that open. There we go. Slide this open as well. Okay, so we're getting a transparent look to it. Let's lift it up. Oh wow. Now this is how a phone unboxing should be, just like the presentation. I really admire it. Good job, Nothing. Keep it up for your future devices. So here is the Nothing Phone 2. You lift it up, and I'm gonna just place it to the side. All right, look at that. Earth first. So the Phone 2 has 53 parts made with sustainable materials. All right, let's put that aside. Let's check out Designed by Nothing. Okay, so we just got some safety stuff in there. Then we don't get a charging brick in here. We have right here, oh, this is a really nice SIM ejector tool. That is really cool. Just gonna place that right back in there. And then we have the USB-C cable, which I'm also really excited for. Look at that transparent design right here. And it even says Nothing. That's really cool. I'm also gonna put that back in the box as well and leave that right here. Let's close the box. Oh, let's actually put this back in here, and then let's close the box. We're gonna take a look at the Nothing Phone 2. So the glyph interface and all that stuff we're gonna get into. So let's just listen real closely as I peel this. Wow. Now this is my first time holding the Nothing Phone 2, but the first time also holding Nothing Phone in general. I didn't try it the Phone 1. This is cool. This is really cool in person. I like this transparent design. And yes, the glass does slightly curve. It's better if you see it in person, it does slightly curve to the sides. But it feels really good in the hand. And it doesn't really feel that large either. Now, here is the camera right here, but it doesn't blend in. So that's just something you gotta take into consideration. Like this camera doesn't blend in when the screen is off. USB-C, SIM ejector tool, we got speakers. Then we got our set of dual cameras. We got the glyph interface right here. When we turn it on, charging indicator for the glyph interface. Volume buttons, we got the power button, the fingerprint sensors right in under the display, optical fingerprint sensor. Although I've seen that it's a little bit low, we're gonna try it out. But first impressions, feels very good in the hand. So Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, again 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and I'm super excited to try this device out. So I'm gonna boot it up and I'll catch you guys right back. All right, so I am back with the Nothing Phone 2. Set it up real quick, and this is Nothing OS 2 running on top of Android 13. This is their own interface. You can choose your visual style, whether you kind of want to go for a stock look or for Nothing OS look. And right now I'm going to try out this Nothing OS look. Definitely has slimmer bezels, and it looks really good. Like this display looks really good. It's 120 hertz full HD, 120 hertz LTPO. So you have that option of dropping from 1 hertz to 120 hertz. That's a huge plus too. It's okay if it's not like quad HD or even 4K. as long as you have a really good display. It gets to max brightness of 1600 nits. Regardless, I'm excited to try out this phone. I really like it, and in comparison, I'm actually going to be, let me just pull out the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So this is the main device I'm using right now, and obviously it's larger. Nothing Phone 2 for some reason feels much smaller in the hand, even though it has a 6.7 inch display compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 6.8 inch display. Now there's one thing that I do notice is when I compare it to the S23 Ultra, the camera, front-facing camera is more visible on the Nothing Phone 2 when compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Look at this lock screen. That's actually pretty darn cool. But I'm going to try it out. I'm going to be putting a lot of content on this. If you want to see something that's like specific, let me know in the comments down below. And if you did enjoy, be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. And definitely be sure to check out my store where I got a bunch of my own merch. I got cups, I got desk mats, I got pillows, I got sweaters, t-shirts, you name it, we got it. I'll be leaving a link of my latest wallpaper pack too. It's not this, but it's Jello. You'll see it in the link in the description down below. Really does mean a lot. Thank you all for the support. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.